Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to personalize touch keyboard theme in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your setting and search for touch keyboard. Here you can see change touch keyboard size, key background visibility. Click on it. Here you can change the touch keyboard theme. If you click on this plus icon, you can custom your theme. If you click on touch keyboards, then you can change keyboard size. If you click on key text size, you can make it small, medium and large. That's it. So this is how you can personalize your touch keyboard theme in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.